Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is United Nations Convention Against Transnational Organized Crime. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the Union Minister of State for Home Affairs participated in the two-day UN Convention Against Transnational Organized Crime Ministerial Conference in Palermo, Italy on September 28-29. Now let's discuss what is United Nations Convention Against Transnational Organized Crime or UNTOC. The UNTOC is a landmark treaty that aims to combat the global threat of transnational organized crime. The UN General Assembly adopted UNTOC in 2000 after negotiations began in 1994. Signed in Palermo, Italy in December 2000, it is also called the Palermo Convention. The treaty entered into force in September 2003 after receiving the required 40 ratifications. The convention is further supplemented by 3 protocols to prevent, suppress and punish trafficking in persons, especially women and children, against the smuggling of migrants by land, sea and air, and against the illicit manufacturing of and trafficking in firearms, their parts and components and ammunition. Now let's have a look at its membership. As of October 2023, the UNTOC has 147 signatories and 190 parties, including India. India signed the UNTOC and its 3 protocols on December 12, 2002. The Central Bureau of Investigation or CBI is the nodal agency for all dealings with UNTOC. Now moving on to key highlights of the recent convention. India's ancient philosophy of Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam sees all of creation as a family, emphasizing the idea that we are all part of one earth and one family. India acknowledged that organized crime represents a significant global threat and has leveraged technology to expand its networks. India has updated and strengthened its legal framework to combat organized crime, including the amendments to the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 and the Fugitive Economic Offenders Act 2018, etc. It is crucial to deny safe havens to those engaged in transnational organized crime by prosecuting their crimes wherever they occur. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the United Nations Convention Against Transnational Organized Crime. 1. It is also called the Palermo Convention. 2. The CBI is the nodal agency for all dealings with UNTOC. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.